In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy a table in LibreOffice Writer. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're reorganizing content within a document or preparing materials for a presentation. So, let's dive right in and go through the process step by step together. First things first, we need to open LibreOffice Writer. To do this, locate the LibreOffice icon on your desktop and double-click it. Once LibreOffice has started, you'll be presented with several options. Go ahead and select the option for Writer Document. This will open a new document window, and from here, open the specific document that contains the table you wish to move or copy. Now, let's select the table we want to work with. Move your mouse over the table, and you'll notice a small square handle appear at the top left corner of the table. This handle is a quick selection tool that allows you to select the entire table in one click. Simply click this handle to highlight the entire table for your next action. With your table selected, you'll need to decide whether you want to move it or create a duplicate copy. To do this, you can either right-click on the table and choose Cut if you wish to move it, or Copy if you prefer to duplicate it. For those who are fans of keyboard shortcuts, you can use Ctrl+X for cutting the table, effectively removing it from its current location, or Ctrl+C to copy the table, leaving the original in place while creating a duplicate in a new location. Great! Now that you've either cut or copied the table, the next step is to decide where you want it to go. In the Writer document, click on the specific point where you want to place the table. This could be anywhere in the document, perhaps deeper into the text or up toward the beginning, wherever you feel it fits best. With your cursor now in position, it's time to paste the table. Again, you have a couple of options for how to do this. You can right-click at the cursor point and select Paste from the context menu, which will instantly deposit your table at the selected location. Alternatively, for those who enjoy using keyboard shortcuts, pressing Ctrl+V will achieve the same result, seamlessly inserting the table right where you want it. And there you have it. Moving or copying a table in LibreOffice Writer is now a skill you've mastered. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, giving you the confidence to manage your documents with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.